Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Abelia Luisa Anwar. I'm from Economy Syariah Class A. Hello everyone. Alright, I will explain about the benefits and impacts of digital literacy. Firstly, I will explain what is digital literacy. Digital literacy is the knowledge and skill of using digital media in finding, evaluating, using, creating information, and utilizing it in a healthy, wise, intelligent, careful, precise, and law-abiding manner in order to foster communication and interaction in everyday life. And now, digital literacy has become an urgent need for society because the advancement of technology that is not balanced with intelligence in using modern technology can cause bad impacts for the next civilization. There are 4 benefits of digital literacy. The first is saving time, the second is saving expenses, the third is making work easier, and the fourth is always being up to date. I will discuss the first one, which is saving time. For example, when we are given assignment time by our lecturers or teachers, we can quickly know the reliable source of information that we can use as a reference for our assignment or other work. Our time will be more valuable because the effort to search and find information is easier. Then the second is saving expenses. In the past, we often bought books or newspapers or other print media for other literacies. But now, there are many free special applications that contain books or news that we can read all without having to pay first. This can certainly save expenses. Then the third is making work easier. Digital literacy make it easier for everyone to do work even if the work is difficult. Most jobs now require some skills. With this digital literacy, it can certainly help, especially job related to computer use. For example, using computers, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint in information can now be easily found on digital media compared to offline media. Then the fourth is always being up to date. To ease of getting information from various media means that anyone will never be left behind in knowing the latest news. There are many features on social media, especially new applications that can ring notification bells if the latest news appears. After knowing the benefits of digital literacy, now we will learn about the positive impact of digital literacy. The positive impact of digital literacy is divided into 3 fields. The first is the social field of society. The second is the field of education. And the last is the field of learning process. We will discuss one by one starting from the social field of society. In the social field of society, there are 5 components. The first is technology literacy, the ability to use technology to access information and entertainment. The second is critical, the ability to think critically, analyze and evaluate data. The third is creative, composing message in creative practice. The fourth is ethical thinking, the ability to reflect and think ethically. And the last is social action. Here we must play an active role in social action. Then we move on to the next field, which is the field of education. In the field of education, there are 6 main aspects. The first is information. The information needed is faster in accessing educational goals. The second, administration. The administration system at educational institution is easier and smoother. And the third, mass media. The emergence of mass media as a central source of knowledge and education. The fourth, support system. Digital literacy as a decision support system in the world of education. 5. Innovation. E-learning innovation is an educational process. And the last, quality of HR, improving the quality of human resource through the development and use of digital literacy. Then we move on to the next field, which is the field of learning process. There are 5 main aspects. The first is teleconference, allows virtual class or best class. The second, learning method, the emergence of new learning methods with abstract technology. The third, online library in digital form publication. And the fourth, of research result. Publication of research result on the internet will make it easier to access. And the last, the use of CAI, computer-aided instruction, refers to student independence. After knowing the benefits of positive impacts of this digital literacy, of course, in the midst of the spirit of information in digital media, digital literacy skills have become strategies for following broader development in science and technology without the limits of space and time. That's all from me. I apologize if there are any wrong words. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.